Welcome back, my brothers and sisters. We are back in the market. Yes, I'm using this glasses. This is a Porsche glass. You want to see? Can you able to see this Porsche? Yeah, this right there is the Porsche glasses. Oh my God, It feels good. Okay, so we are going to do the analysis using this lens. Maybe no, I'm kidding. Let's get back to this. Holy shit, this very huge brightness. All right, boys. So we are going to do the analysis. Okay, every single thing looks good. I'm looking good. Kinda, I need to do this. Screen is getting share. Camera is visible. Slow mo. Yeah. Recording is on. This is on. All right. So here we go. So yeah, in this video there will be a three sections. The first section is going to be updation of the trading plan. Okay, reading and updation of the trading plan. The second section is going to be the before and after, what I have predicted and what has happened. The third section is going to be the pure analysis of the video of pure analysis of the market of what we are going to look for taking the trade in the next week. And full on the fourth section there will be the full, what we can say, there will be a full summary recap of what trades I'm looking for and what trades I'm going to take, which what I'm looking particularly in that particular trades. That is what is going to be on four sections. So if you are here just to see what I am going, which trades I'm going to take, just go on the four section. You will find the sections below. All right, so so yeah, I'm also going to shoot the vlog today because every single thing will be cinematic right now. You won't even believe the vlogs. The boring vlogs has been done. This is my ClickUp. Should I pin this pin tab? Yeah, this looks good, bro. This is. I will come back on all of this. Okay. All right. So first section is going to be get started. The section one is because I have to do it quicker because I have to do it analysis today. Then I have to do the video shooting, B rolls, then video editing as well and uploading as well. Like this is going to be take a full day. Okay, so yeah, trading plan. Here we go. My nose is a bit packed. I really don't know how, but it is what it is. I don't know how. Okay, can I? Okay, is it was lagging behind? No, no. Should I look at this? Just a minute, okay. Anyhow, the camera angle is not looking good. Fuck it. Alright, so first thing first, let's start with the section one, that is trading plan, reviewing the trading plan and updation. Trading success sheet. The goal is to become financially free by consistently making 1% per month on $100,000 account, which is equals to $1,000, which is equals to 84,000 INR approximately. So by following this trading plan, we can easily make 4.8% per month, which equals to $4,800, which is equals to 3,98,400 INR. Pretty much, I need to be. I'm still in the place of achieving this. I have make this, but now I'm so in a drawdown that I need to get out from this, and I have planned for this. Okay, I'm from 8 o'clock. Right now it's 10 o'clock. So from 8 o'clock for 2 hours I was working on the plan, like how, like this plan, the plan, the current plan right now, the current plan which is being used is going to take months and months, like 3 to 4 months to get out from this zone. And I'm like, it's not good. 4 months for just doing nothing. I need to make this work within 30 days. Can I possible to do so? That is what I was looking into. And probably there is an option to do this. I have talked a lot of things with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is such a bullshit thing. Actually, I'm really saying this. It's just a bullshit thing. It's not even like giving what I want. I will tell you later on. Okay, continue. Long term goal. Having four funded accounts, minimum of $300,000 per account, total of $1.2 million, and making 4.8% per month is equals to $57,600. Is equals to 47 lakhs 80,800 100 INR. Pretty easy, right? So now trade per week, we are going to take only one trade per week. Now this sucks because this sucks, man. We are getting a lot of more opportunity, but nothing. Only one trade per week sucks because if I miss that trade, I just miss the whole week. I'm also working on this. I mean, I'm working on every single thing which is about trading. Okay, let's continue. Risks per trade, zero. Should I increase this size? Yeah, this looks good to me. Oh, trades per week, one trade per week. Risks per trade is 0.29%. Risks, new plan, risk is equals to me 288.7 dollars per trade. And here's the plan. If I'm going to click on this link, it is hopping me to over here, and it is like start date 9 March. So from today, sorry, from 9 March, we're going to start taking. Technically, I have prepared this plan for from earlier, only like almost 3 weeks before, but from 3 weeks we are not even taking the trades. So this plan technically didn't got implemented, and that is what I hate about swing trading. I literally hate about swing trading because I'm wasting my weeks and weeks. I'm really wasting my weeks and weeks because there is no trading activity. We're just not getting trades. If we're not getting trades, how in the world we are going to lose money or make money, right? If there is no opportunity to lose money or if there is no opportunity to make money, there is no money make or there is no trading activity. So I'm hating about the swing trading, but I will come on this pretty sure back again. I'm literally working on this, literally. Like, you won't even believe I'm working on it. We are going to come up with this problem. What we are going to do. Alright, so start date is going to be, for now I updated this. Start date is going to be 9 months. From 9 months, we are going to use this exact risk management scenario. But I am going to again modify it bit, and I will come on this. So pretty much we are going to take, so maximum loss for blowing our account is going to be $866 only remaining because we are down minus 7.12%, which is not good at all. So we're going to take it to 288 risks per trade. So maximum loss to blow this account is going to be 3 trades. Win rate is goes to, man, this price is super high. So win rate is going to be 90%. Trade wins 2, 1 loss. Okay, risk reward ratio 1 is to 2. You don't care about this, fuck it. All right, so for like this is a risking the same amount for 3 trades, and after we make money, then I'm going to add this, and then I'm going to like increase the risk per trade in the next 3 trades, and once that 3 trades make money, then again I'm going to increase the risks in the next 3 trades, like step by step approach, going like this, but it is going to take like almost months. Like over here, I have updated the 29 May. On 29 May, I will be making almost $5,000. But 29 May is equals to 83 days. 83 days, which is like 61, 6 to 12. Near about 2 months, near about 9 weeks, which sucks. I need this thing to be worked today. I don't have 9 weeks for just sitting and doing nothing. So that is the reason I'm working with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is just bullshit. Whatever I'm saying is just repeating the things. So I'm only using my brain. Literally, I'm just like frustrated about this. It's just repeating the things which I'm saying. If I'm saying, oh, this is good, ChatGPT says, oh yeah, this is so beautiful. If I'm saying, yeah, you are lying, this is not good, I don't like, I just said this. And ChatGPT is like, oh shit. I do hate that. It's so pretty. I'm only using my brain, and ChatGPT is giving the things in formatted way. So pretty much what I'm thinking right now, that is the to make the things work in 30 days. How in the world we can get the things worked in 30 days? Oh my god, this is have created this is beautiful. So pretty much, fuck it. I will just show you directly. I will just tell you. So pretty much we are going to take like a 200 and double 288 risks per trade. So but we are just going to take one trade per week, right? So if we're going to take 288 risks per trade and we know we are going to make money, we're going to double it, right? So it is going to be almost 575 something dollars. The profit is going to be. So I, I don't think so it will work, because like within a month, within like there is a first there are 4 weeks in a month, right? So in first three weeks is going to be the profit of just $866, like whole after a whole month, okay? After taking three trades, pretty much whole month. After taking three trades, one trade, one two trades win, one trade loss, which is good, not gonna lie, but it's not good the current situation. So I'm looking for like the risks management strategy where we will be winning, then I will win big, and when we are losing, I just wanna cut the losses like anything. So I come across with this. I mean, I have brainstormed. Let's just see. Like I was giving the idea and he's just brainstorming. No, no, no. I was giving the idea and he was just showing the idea or showing my idea. So pretty much like what I was saying about, man, this is not going good. Yeah. So right now I have eight. I will directly show you. Right now I only have $866, a whole capital for taking the trades. If we lose this, we technically blow the whole account and we will be failing, and I will be not able to make money from trading again. At least until I buy the new challenge, which I can't buy right now. So that is the reason I have divided the risks. So I have divided this amount into three divided by three. So it is going to be 288. But what now it is going to be take lots of time. Like 29 May is not a joke. Like 29 May is going to be almost 2 to 3 months. Not good. So I come across with the brilliant idea. So what if I, rather than dividing this for three trades, let's divide this for two trades. Okay, so if I'm going to divide this, I have a beautiful chat with ChatGPT. I want to show you. Wait, let me just show you, brother. Let me just fucking show you. I was just creating scenarios and compounding one bit. New compare with the normal risks. I will show you, brother, because if I'm going to say that will not good. That I mean, you will not understand. I want you to understand because I just want when I'm going to see this video in future, I want myself to get understand what the fuck I'm saying. Treated one loss. Just a minute. So familiar with yeah. Sorry for that. Oh yeah, look at this. So I have my current capital $866, right? So I am going to divide it by 2. So 866 divided by 2 is equals to 400 risks per trade. If this 400 risks per trade goes loss, then I'm going to remaining $466, I'm going to divide it again by 2. So we will be coming up with the $200. Let's exclude $66. So $200 will be remaining. So pretty much if $200 got lost, so we'll remaining with the $200, right? So pretty much then our is like every single there is formula, right? Remaining divided by 2. So if I'm having $800 total capital, I don't want to risk all $800. I want to risk half of that $800. When I'm going to risk half of the $800, which is equal to $400, that will be my risk per trade. If this $400 loss, then my remaining $400, I'm going to divide it by 2. So 200 and 200. I will be risking this $200 in the next trade. If this trade loss, then I will be having this $200 remaining. Then I will be dividing this $200 remaining by 2. So $100 and $100. So likewise, whenever I'm going to lose, I will technically never blow the account. But the catch is over here. When I will making a lot more money, like how in the world, like look at this. I have this. Win. 50, no, not 50. Compounding plan. Oh yeah, all wins. Look at this. So if I'm having this $866 total capital, I will be dividing it by 2. So over here 433. Let's exclude this 33. Let's consider it 800. Let's just consider a round figure. So I'm having $800, right, total. I'm dividing this. So over here it goes for 400, over here it goes for 400. So I'm going to risk this $400 per trade. So if this trade wins, then we'll make $800, right? So total we make $800. So we make $800 over here, and originally we were having the $800, right? Total we were having $800 where we divided 400 over here, 400 over here. So our 400 risk comes back plus 800 come back. So we sum up this, so it becomes balance becomes 1700, right? So now I will be now we have 1700 total, so I will be dividing this again over here. How much it comes? $800. $800. So I will be risking $800 in the next trade, and this $800 makes money. This $800 comes back, plus it doubles the money and double come back, which is almost 1700 comes back. So over here we have 1700 profit and $800 our risks, and over here it was 800. So 800 plus 800 plus profit we make 1700 is equals to total of 3461. If we just keep continuing to do this, within just 4 trades we will be making 13,000, and our so profit will be 12,000 total. And we have almost like a drawdown in almost $8,000. No, 7,200 $7,200. So we'll be recovering $7,200, and we'll be about almost $6,000 within just 4 trades. 4 trades is equals to, if we just take 1 trade per week, is equals to within a month. Within 30 days we'll be achieving this, and we'll be at the end of the 30 day, which is like at the end of the most probably March or April, first week of April, will be withdrawing the amount. Now this is huge. Like this is what I'm talking about. Okay, I think I need to over my Porsche back again. This right there is what I'm talking about. If we come up with the things which we wanted to see, and if we wanted to look into, we will get the things. We will understand. We just need to ask the question to the universe. Now, winning 4 trades in a row is very simple, and we just need to take the high probable sure shot opportunities where the 99% possibility of winning is there. Okay, and if one loss, nothing is going to get broke. We're not going to blow the account. That is the most, like, that is the beauty of this risks management comes coming up. If we are taking a very big risk, and if there is going to be loss, we just we are not going to blow our record. That is what the most important thing. I'm coming up with this, like, see, this is my this bullshit mosquito. This is what my idea is, brother. Holy shit. Wait a minute. I will show you what I've typed with this. Yeah, look at this. This is what my, oh my god. I have talked a lot. Yeah, so you can read it by pausing the video. So this is what it is, brother. This is I haven't finalized this, but I'm looking to finalize this because I really I really want to, like, I don't want to take the small step, risking $288 to make to just to make like just to like within a whole month we'll be just making $866, even though we are going to win two trades, going to one loss, one trade. Man, this mosquito is killing me. Kill this mosquito. Let's. Have we got kill? Oh, that right there, the sound of he got kill. I did a murder of mosquito. Alright, so this is what it is, and I haven't finalized this. I'm going to finalize this by the end of the today or tomorrow end, because I'm going to work this. I'm going to properly simulate it on every single, like scenario. What if we lost all? What if we win all? What if we just have win half, half win, half loss? What if we win three wins, one loss? What if we lost three losses, one win? I want to see every possible scenario, and then coming up with this thing which I'm saying. I'm really should not share this for free, man. It sucks. So this is what the plan is. So risk reward ratio is going to be 1 is to 2, and win rate is going to be 90%, because we're going to take the high probable setup, and if we are going to take the high probable setup, there is very high chances of hitting towards take profit rather than hitting towards stop loss. So that is the reason we're just going to take one trade per month, sorry, one trade per week. That will be four trades per week. That is equals to four trades in a whole month. So it equals to three win, one loss is equals to profit. So progress sheet, funded account. It's basically same. Can we log into this? I need to check, because whenever I'm checking, it just like it just not logging. It just refreshing itself. I hope it logs. Finger cross. It is logging. It has logged. Heads up, competition account activated on universities of each month along the registration of the following month competition. Yeah, the competition is very a good thing to like elevate the things. We can elevate our profits. We can elevate our account to the highest level. I was not knowing this when I was talking with the friend. What the fuck? Where the accounts are? Now the accounts are not showing. This is crazy, isn't it? This right there is having a glitch. Pretty much shouldn't be like this. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Is like blindfolded, or I'm just not able to see. No, man. Look at this. Over here, there is a profile option. If I'm going to click, it's not fucking clicking. There's a very glitch into the dashboard. Payout history. Just wanted to see. Oh, light gone. Okay, hold on. If light is gone, I will keep my phone outside. Holy shit. If light is gone, you can't able to see me properly. I have to sit over here. Hold on. Just give me a minute. Okay, we are back. Now the internet must work very well, because I've kept it where the internet actually shows up. Let's refresh this Persian motherfucking website. Accounts. It's still not showing. Fuck it. So I want to get a trade. It's basically same thing. Yeah, we need the $7,133 to come into break even. You know what? I mean, I'm not gonna lie. The negative part of this account has taught me a lot of lessons than the positive when the account was positive. When the account was positive, everything was good, everything was chilling. And when the account is in negative, I have learned millions and millions of things. I, I mean, I've learned a lot of things. There's a whole lot of videos going to come around, but right now, focus on here. Okay, so pretty much, yeah, this is where we started doing the mistakes. And this 2 weeks, there was no trade, and even this week there was no trading activity. Bullshit. There was a trading activity, but I only took the trade because it was coming out of the trading plan. Okay, so 2 to 6 March, 1 March to 5 March. It's basically NA, no trades. So for a whole week, no, for almost a month, like for this is worse, man. For a whole thing, we haven't took any trade. But I think so. We will be having a lot of good opportunity this week. 9 March to 13 March. Now, 9 March 2026 to 13 March. Well, let's not quit, man. Whoever quit first, lose. Okay. I need to extend this little bit so that this thing will come up. Yeah. So this week target is going to be probably. Now we are going to this 400 to 800. Dollar. Okay. I wanna see I myself writing over 800. But if we hit the loss, I will accept the loss. As a trader, I have to accept the losses as well. So note, consistency is greater than speed. Stick to the plan, stay patient. Focus on executions, not emotions. One plan, one process, one goal, freedom. One goal and one. I shouldn't say this. I will back. I will just drink the water because I'm tired. Okay, we are back. Before we start, the camera was like going to the Dubai. Alright, so I am looking. Yeah, my hairs are getting weaker and weaker. I'm going to probably look like Andrew Tate. Yeah, you have to do. You have to do the things that you need to do. Okay, this is still haven't loaded. Last chance, no chance. Fuck off. Alright. Like I need this camera to be like this, man. Is this a encoding overloaded? Consider what what was that? I don't want if I will speaking and then down the settings using fast and gold presents. Is there any issue with the storage right there? 135. Oh no, nothing. All good. I think so. I should be closing a lot of applications. I don't know, man. I need to keep it on. Should I quit this? Should I quit this? Should I quit this? I will quit this and I will come back over here again. I will save this. I will screenshot this most probably. I will save this on the desktop. This, you know what is this? This is the backtesting things which I'm looking into, which I'm working on as well. This is quit. This is because if our laptop is not going to work properly, what else we want then? All right, this should work now. Safari Farisa. Okay. This thing is getting slowed down. Camera is looking good. Screen is getting share. Yeah. So now we're going to start this GBP with now we're going to start this second. Oh my, this looks beautiful. Second section of the video. Oh sorry, we've done the second section. Oh no, we are actually starting. The second section of this video is going to be the before and after, what I have predicted and what has happened Let's see. So what I have predicted, I just don't want to talk. Ah, fuck it. Because what I predicted haven't happened at all. But I was saying I was predicting that it is going to go up, and I was ready to look for buying. But then what happened? The news comes, World War started, and things doesn't looks good. So that is the reason we candlestick close below this candle. Once that happened, I was really looking to take this trade from here to here, but look at this. This was a beautiful trade. I should easily take this trade if I were risks $400 over here for 520, 2000 right there. But I haven't took this trade because it was going out of a trading plan. I was waiting for the candlestick close above this candle to take the buy trade, but I could easily take the trade right there, but I haven't took this because of I was sticking to the plan. I don't know why, and I don't know I should take this trade. But it is coming out with the intraday thing. This was the easiest sell possible ever on the whole entire planet Earth because yeah, war was going on. USD is pumping to the downside. We got shift of structure. We get daily structure bearish. This was a recipe for making money, but just because of this was getting out of a trading plan, and I was in a bullshit job. So that is the reason I haven't took any trade right there. So my prediction, I was looking to take the trade to the upside, which literally this candlestick never close above. So if candlestick never close above, it should go to downside, and it gone. So pretty much this is what happened. I just don't want to talk about this more. I will come. This looks beautiful because I will come on this pretty soon. So other thing, Euro GBP is the only trade. Also, I was looking into take the trade. I was waiting for the daily candlestick close on the area of interest, which closed below this area of interest. I lost the interest, and that is the reason I haven't took the trade. It's basically so simple. And also, once that happened, I could easily take the trade right there. Like this was the easiest trade in the whole entire plan. Like this was once this candlestick closed, easy. But I haven't took this trade just because I was sticking to the plan to take the buy trade to the upside. Alright, this right there is a Euro GBP. So only I was going to look for GBP USD or Euro GBP. This is only the two trades I was looking to take the trade. That right there is only it. And this which this currencies also have predicted, but which I was not including myself my interest to take the trade. But yeah, I was predicting. Prediction is basically simple. So what happened, I was looking to take the sell trade. I was waiting for 4 hours candlestick close on the area of interest. Pretty much the Monday has started. Oh yeah, look at this. My lines are still there. Okay, my lines right there are still there. I have literally predicted this move. My lines is still there. I was waiting for the 4 hours candle like this week to get created. The week which is the black line, I was waiting for the black line to get created, which is going to make the 4 hours come and retest to this area of interest right there. Okay, but it never happened. Never took the trade because market, world war, all of this. This was easiest sell possible. I mean, I have missed this GBP USD beautiful sell, Euro GBP beautiful sells, GBP CAD beautiful sell. Okay, even it haven't retest to this area of interest, we could take that trade. That a risky trade. A Euro USD. Yeah, look at this. Again, I have missed this. Like this is what I'm talking about. I was looking for buying this currency, but then heard the news about the world war, and I know yeah, USD is going to pump to downside. So all USD is going to pump to downside. Euro USD looks good to me. Created a full high, and now we are ready to go to downside. Beautifully shift of structure on the 4 hours. Beautiful retest. Like this was, I mean, ha, this was a thing, man. This right there was a thing. Easy again over here again. I have easily made now. This will be a stop loss, but it will be. I will prefer this more as a stop loss. Easy 1:3. One is to, I literally 1:3. 1:3 or 4. Easy trade right there. Missed. Missed. Like this was going out of plan because I was looking for buying, not looking for selling. So I have to stick to the plan. But sticking to the plan, I have missed a lot like look at that. So I was looking for this to again buy, but again news, wars, every single thing. It just started pushing to the downside. I could easily take the sell trade once this 4 hours candlestick closed below as a engulfing bang push profits. Wow, like wow. And ZUSD again the same, like exact same. The exact same thing, brother. Look at that. 4 hours shifted, 4 hours candlestick closed below this candle, boom. We just pushed it downside. Now you may ask like, oh, this is beautiful. You have predicted this. You know where it is, where the market is going to go. Then why in the world you haven't took the trade? Because it is going out of a trading plan, my dear brother. My trading plan is proven to make money. Okay, so going out of the trading plan, we're just coming into the picture where there is a proven to lose money. I don't want to take the things which is going to lose me money. Right, so that is the only reason I haven't took the trade. And pretty much I miss a lot more money on the table. It is what it is. Now the next week, I mean we just missed the flight. The flight we just came late onto the airport and we just saw the flight which we wanted to hop onto. I just are is on the runway and just ready to take off. Like anything we can do, pretty much yeah we can take it. Damn. Other than this, no. We have to find the other plane ticket. So this is what the thing scenario over here. We miss. Okay, now let's find the next opportunity. We have to be okay of by missing the treats. Okay, you boys are ready to draw, get into to get into things which is going to make us money. That is going to be the pure technical analysis. What trades I'm going to look for taking the trade in the next week. This is what we are going to do. This now we are going to start with the third section where we are going to do the pure analysis of what I am looking and how we are, like what my thought process is going to be. All right, so before I do, I wanted to like this is what I wanted to copy paste into this and add as a save as weekly and daily. All right, boys, we're ready to get into it because I think so we can get a very good opportunity for taking a trade. If we didn't get opportunity, then that means like fuck. This will be the fourth week of not trading. Like, uh, I'm just done by waiting hands on hand. All right, so let's talk. Let's talk. Let's have the real world. Okay, so yeah, we on the weekly on GBP CAD. Let's start with GBP CAD, and we are going to check every single currency. So if you want to me to go through any currencies, just wait and watch your currencies time come. I'm going to go line by line on every single currency. So start with GBP CAD. Wait a minute. I need to like exclude a lot of things. Trend line, extended line not needed. Horizontal line pretty much needed. Horizontal ray not needed. Gain box. Why in the world this is in the star? Head and shoulder not needed. This is also brush. Now we don't need path. Sometimes circle not needed for now. Oh yeah, so this is the thing we will be needing all of the time. Okay. This makes more. I just need, yeah, hold on, not this. I just, like, I have learned a lesson. I need to, you know, I need to draw my areas and need to see the things like Alex sees the market. And this is how Alex sees the market. And the exact same thing which I'm going to do. Alright, let's start. I will cut this. Sorry. So pretty much we are approaching to this area where we are potentially going to get this for daily area of interest. Potential buying pressure is going to come. Can we take the sell trade over here? Pretty much. Pretty much. Let's close this. Can we take the sell trade? Oh, can we take the sell trade right there? By looking at the market conditions, I don't think so we can get the sell trade right there, because if it comes up, then that will be weird pattern like this. 4 hours will get bullish. I don't know. Also, where are we? Where we'll be selling? We'll be selling on the lowest point where the retracement is going to come. I don't like this, because if you're going to sell this thing over here, yeah, this could work, okay? I'm not gonna lie, but we are so much below. It needs a retracement. It needs some kind of retracement. Can we weaken to this area of interest and then push to downside? Just imagine, okay, like, fucking imagine right there, okay. The now will simulate how candlestick is going to work. The candlestick is going to get started like this. It's going to come up, have the retracement, and then it is going to start pushing to the downside, and then it is going to close like this. Okay, now I need the drawing tool, but I can use this. Is this a good candle? Can you able to see such kind of candle tab pattern? Yeah, we have over here. Okay, I think so. I got the things over here also. Like, this is going to be a doji or what? Holy shit! Yeah, this looks good to me. Oh yeah, looks good to me, brother. This is like this candle. It's going to come up and then going to come down and going to close like this. And over here we're going to take the sell trade right there. Stop loss is going to be over here. The the take profit is going to be right there. And on the daily basis, it is going to retrace, have a retracement candle, create a doji candle, and push to the downside where the 4 hours is also going to get bullish. Looks good to I like this trade. 4 hours is going to get bullish. I mean, like this, it's going to close, and then weak into the EMA comes shift of structure. Boom. I like this. I like this. Okay, so but we can't consider this as a high probable, because there is a no lower high is created on the daily. I need this to create the lower high to create the new lower low. Okay, I like this trade. Not gonna lie, let's consider this as a trade. Oh man, this sound is not looking good to me. How in the world I'm getting cold? Weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, 4 hours is bearish right there. So we are going to wait for the daily. Now I'm going to be more specific. Daily retracement. Daily candle close to AOI, close on AOI. I thought light games. Then I need daily Doji. If I get that, awesome. Or if I get the 4-hour shift of structure or slash 4 hours SOS shift of structure, then I will be taking the sell trade to the downside. Probability is, I will not say high, I will say medium. Risk is bit low. I'm getting a call. Hold on. I really don't know how, but my nose is getting back like anything. So yeah, we are back, and light is still haven't came. Okay, so exact same kind of we are going to prepare right there because we have to show the slowdown movement on this area of interest because once that doji candlestick created, then we are going to create the new engulfing candle to the upside where we are going to again buy this currency to the upside because the retracement is going to happen. And that's right, within 1 minute I have talked a lot. Okay, so this is what I'm looking into: daily candlestick closure on the area of interest. We'll look into it. A daily candlestick closure on the area of interest. Once that happen, we'll wait for the daily doji where the shift of structure of the 4 hours is going to get happen, and then we're going to wait for, and then we're going to take the sell trade from here to here. It's basically so simple. Okay, but to be honest, I don't know, man. I should have. If the price comes over here, that will be very good area of interest. But oh yeah, that looks so brilliant, brother. That looks so brilliant. Price, if price comes over here on this area of interest, it will be daily EMA, the weekly EMA as well, daily EMA as well. That right there looks good to me. But just be logical. From here in one candle it's going to come up. And the same thing, same time it is going to go down. Probably not. So excluding the area of interest for now, because we are so far from that, I will be waiting for this coming retracement. I'm cleaning this because I need my charts to be clean so that I can see the
It's
things
11
clearly.
o'clock.
Okay. Waiting for the retracement and push her downside. So basically, it is going to happen. But guess what? This is not only a trade. There are going to be a lot of trading opportunity this week. So pretty much we are going to capture a lot of trading opportunities right there. So I just wanted to see. This looks so brilliant, slow, clean, and we do have 69% battery. Sucks. Alright, alright. Monthly. How the monthly looking? Ooh, monthly don't have this week. Monthly don't have this week. That means so weird. Not single month. Oh yeah, this was month. Like when I was. Oh no, it does have the week. It does have this that small week right there. It has a week, and right there we just don't have the week on the monthly. So pretty much it is every single thing is going to come up and then it is going to go down. But right now, as per the you know as per the scenario which I'm saying, it is continuing to push her downside because of the war and rest of the thing. And guess what? To be honest, like I'm just not gonna lie, this war and all things they all already know because just, just listen to me. When this when this shift of structure urgently shift upside, bullish, it just pumped to the upside. When this shift of structure urgently shifted downside, it just come to the downside like anything. Oh, something is weird right there. As a trader, I got to know already what is going to happen. Okay, so now what? Now what? Where are we going to take the trade? Pretty much. The daily is about to get bearish, but it haven't got bearish. We have wicked into this. That means there is a sign, and also we have created a beautiful higher low to create the candlestick like this. Looks beautiful to me. This can also continue to pump to downside, but if there is a no lower high created, how in the world is going to get going to pump to downside? So I think so right now, as per the scenario, it is going to weak up till here, and then it is going to continue to push to the downside. It is going to create the lower high on this pretty good area of interest. Let me see the 4 hours as well. Uh-huh. Right there. Okay, this is the area of interest we can be interested in. Yeah, looks good to me. So whenever we are above, we're buying, under we're selling, under we're selling, above we're buying. So this is a very good area of interest right there. Um, Personally, I will wait for the candlestick closure on the area of interest, one doji candlestick, and then push to the downside. Even if we don't get the doji, even if we get the 4 hour shift of structure on the area of interest, that right there is the recipe. I like this 4 hour shifted. I will wait for the same. If 4 hour shifted, like look at this. Like if we're going to see, there will be a lot of trades that's coming to. Look at this. This looks so brilliantly good. That will be the week. This will be the candle. That will be the week. Retracement to the area of interest, and this will be the candle pushing to the downside, rejecting, filling this week to the EMA, which is also going to show the sellers are going to sell these currencies because of the wars. This right there looks good to me. Okay, but this is not the high probable. This is like the medium probable. It's not like it is going to do. It's a medium because look at now, where are we selling? We are selling on the lowest point where the buyers are going to come and just like take the price to the upside. Daily candle closer on AY, area of interest. Then we'll look for daily doji. That right there is only 8. Then we'll wait for 4 hours shift of structure. 4 hours to go bearish. That's all. It is going to take almost 2 days. I love the trades when comes in Wednesday, because a lot of trades, when like my track record shows, like on Wednesday whenever I'm going to take the trade, every single Wednesday I make money. So if this trade is going to come on Wednesday, looks good to me. Very high chances. Cat JPY, look at this. Beautifully avoid the beautiful trade. Beautiful avoid the losses. Wow. Very good at this. Very good. Okay, so any trade we can take over here. I will never take the trade because it is. Who was that? It is bit about not liking it at all. Nah. Yeah, because it's so about. This is the last area of interest. Yeah, when we are above we buying, under we selling, so it is going to have the rejection from right here. So it is coming to the rejection point. Once the rejection is going to come from here, then it is going to push to downside. But until that, it is continue to create this candle over here. Then it is going to create the doji, and then it is going to start pushing to the downside. And then we're going to take the sell trade from here to here. 4 hours will get bearish. A lot of things are going to happen within pretty much. So can, like, the question is, can we take the trade? Is there any opportunity to take the trade right there? We'll look into it. That's a nice question you're asking to me. Or I just kidding. If we weak into this area of interest, will be good. Yeah, look. Oh man, look at that. This is the previous structure area of the daily, brother. This looks solid to me. Again, this is not like a high probable. This is like the medium probable trade. Ask the question. Oh my god, this looks brilliant. This is also the 4 hours previous structure area, creating the lower, creating the higher low to go up. This looks brilliant to me. This is the, this is not the, I will say this trade as the medium high, because yeah, it does shows every single thing which I want, but the only con is that it's too on top. Like, it's so on top that doesn't looks good to me. But the structure, but the pattern is looks good to me. Okay, so weekly is bullish. I'm a bit hungry now. I'm getting my oxygen very, very low into my body. You know, I can feel it. Um, Pretty much. I need to adjust this. This. I like one, and this is two. It's going to be. It's also for daily previous structure. Yeah, this looks solid to me. Like, wow. Also 4 hours previous structure area. We just need weak into this 4 hours structure. Wow, this looks solid to me. Okay, but the only thing which is we are buying on a top is top. Now this is going to come on the Monday. Bullish, every single thing is bullish. Is recording is on? Yeah, recording is on. Let's come back. My eyes are getting now 3D because brother, the brightness is like knocking my eyes. Oh my goodness, this looks solid. We will be getting the week into this EMA as well. 30-minute EMA. Wow. Um, you know, I mean, I don't know, man. This does look solid to me. But I want to consider that 4 hours previous structure area. Mm, keeping to the body, not the wings. Body, 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 body. Yeah. आ गया naughty, naughty. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, this is previous structure area. Okay. This is a body right there. We can extend this over here, but it's basically same thing. Just don't want to get over complicated right there. We can get the yeah. This looks good to me. Okay. But you know what? If if I will be having the area of interest right here, that will be the 4 hours area of interest. This looks brilliant to me. The previous structure area of the 30-minute time frame as well. 15 मिनट का विशेष नहीं. I like this shit, but the only thing is the 4 hours. We will fill the fair value gap right there, and it is going to push to the upside, which is a bit weird. I want this to weaken to the. Mm, I don't know, man. This is only the thing which I can see. Like one, this is second. This is one. This is. And there's no elbow. One, two. Okay, boys. I'm going to consider this as the area of interest. Finalize. Also, we'll be having the. I would love if we have such kind of thing. No, that will still be not good. That will right there, no, still not good. I will shift to back to the original position. So like we can do like this, but it will be like weird. But that is the reason I'm keeping like this. I have to finish this because I have to also start video shooting as well. So this right there, this right there. Yeah, this is the area of interest. Daily is also previous structure area of the daily. I'm just looking at it because I want to be more accurate and I'm more bit more precise. So either I need a 4 hours candlestick closure on this area of interest on or on this area of interest. Whenever it is going to shift, that will be my next position. That is why I'm saying it is a medium problem. It's not like yo this is going to go. Nah, I'm not having that feeling right there. Because it's on super top, but also the structures is bit like mismanagement. Let's keep it in medium. Um, 4 hours candle closer on the area of interest. Waiting time is 1 day or 0 day, which is going to come on Monday. Monday हो या Sunday, Sunday हो या Polish 30%. Medium low first kind of close on the area of interest. Okay, this looks good to me. That's it. That's it. But within a weekly candle, it's crazy. Okay, crazy, crazy, crazy. It also create the higher low, man. Why in the world is going to create the higher low to go up, right? Alright, so my god. I think we need to shift our position. Shift our position. How about this? Yeah, this is a bit weird, but don't have any option. Of course, this is so weird. There must be always option. How about this? Mm, not looking good. Yeah, looking good. I don't care. Let's go on NZDJPY. Okay, NZDJPY. What is up with NZDJPY? I don't like this currency. Oh yeah, look at this. This was my previous week prediction. I'm saying that it's going to create the engulfing candle, which haven't created engulfing candle. It created the candle like this. At least it just created the things which I wanted to see. It just created a lower low, retrace, but it also created a higher. It's a bit messy. It's a bit tricky. It's sideways. It's not looking good to me. Sorry. GBP, look at that. This is what I predicted, my dear brothers and their sisters. Look at this. I told that it's going to create the engulfing candle because it is the area of interest where the rejection, whenever we are above we're buying, and exactly we got the engulfing candle from this area of interest. We are like, look at this, exactly area of interest. Man, this is going to go up. But the con is, I'll show the con. The daily is bearish. Now this will make sense once the daily gets bullish. But once daily get bullish, it needs to create a higher low to go up. Because it just, I will not select this now. Because it just suddenly close and then it just never, I don't think so it is going to happen. What is going to happen right there is, man, the brightness tilting my eyes. It's going to close, going to create the higher low, and then it is going to go up. So to close above it will take, or what I can able to see over here, doji created, right? So it is going to create the red candle, and then it is going to create the blue candle. And if such kind of things happens, brother, I'm going to go all in with this. This will be the beautiful trade. I will wait for a week retracement and push to the upside. This looks solid if does happen. Man, my eyes are not looking good to me, man. Something is somewhere wrong there. I want this to happen. If this haven't happened, then if candlestick close like this, it just can't able to push to the upside. If it does, it will be super weird. It needs to create the higher low. Okay, if this goes up, it needs to create the higher low to go upside. I'm just adjusting myself in a very weird position. Can you able to see? Oh, you can't able to see. Good. But the lighting is good, man. Oh, the lighting is super good over there. I'm going to start wake up. You know what? What I am feeling right now, what is going to happen, and what I'm feeling right now is the only. Oh man, this is super uncomfortable. How about this? At least something. This bit. Ah, this doesn't look good. It feels like I'm going into the wall. How about this? Yeah, how about this? This looks kinda okay. It's not like, yeah, I like it. Okay, the camera needs to be tilted bit. Nothing is matching right there. Fuck. What I will do? I have an idea. I have an idea right there. Right there, I have an idea. Look at this. Now? Now looks good, right? Oh yeah. Now is wow. This is what I was looking into. The camera should be in point. It's very height of my face. Okay, beautiful. I need little brightness, but not much. Okay, what I'm thinking what is going to happen is this. It's going to create a red candle and then it's going to create the blue candle. Which this pattern is going to create the weak. Oh man, this looks so probable. Weeks, weak to the downside. And once that breakout happens, oh damn, once that breakout happens, it's just going to boom. Now it will create the higher low to go up. It will also the left head, beautiful right shoulder. Wow. We'll also take the reference of what happens previously. Oh, previously it just closed and then boom. But previous to previous, it closed, created a higher low, gone up. Oh yeah, look at this. It it close up, but it creates the higher low to go up. This is a weird pattern, like what in the world. Because right now at a place I just can't take the trade because daily is bearish. I don't want to take the trade which is daily is bearish. Even 4 hours is, oh man, looks beautiful to me. Look at this. This is a beautiful shift structure, like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now it is going to like wow. This is so beautiful. Like look at this. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now it needs to create that higher low to the EMA, higher low, and then it is going to create the higher high, and then it is going to come down for a higher low. Again, it is going to, and over here we're going to buy when it is going to be on like this. The EMA is also going to push to the upside over here. Over here we're going to buy. Not we can buy over here, but I don't know. I don't want to sell like this because whenever we are bearish, we just push to the downside. I want daily to get shifted. Even if we miss the trade, I'm not here to took the trade. I'm here to predict the market. I'm here to predict the market. So this thing, oh man, this eyes are not working my properly. Yeah, because of the lowest oxygen, because my nose is back right now of the oxygen only, and I'm speaking. I'm, I'm giving my oxygen back, not letting time to get inside the oxygen. Mm. Yeah, this is only what I want. If this just close up, it will be weird. It needs to weak. That's correct. The matter of fact, we created the engulfing candle like this. It is going to retrace and it is going to push up exact same pattern. Create an engulfing candle, retest, weak, and then go into the upside. I want to say this. Okay, this area which is on Monday, October 2023, on daily basis over here. Now look at this. The daily got bullish, retrace. This is what I've seen previously. Engulfing candle, retracement, shift of structure, bullish, bam. Oh my goodness. I don't know why so messy. My eyes are not look working, man. My eyes are just getting closer. Okay, so we got that it is very high probable that this thing is now it is going to come up till here. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's just going to come up till here. We just need to figure out how we can get it. The most high probable thing which I am feeling right now is just to like I want daily to go bullish, and else I just can't. Even though 4 hours weekly have created such kind of candle, I will wait for one more week if possible, if I want to. But I will never take the trade if 4 hours is bearish. Because this is a downtrend, I don't want to take the buy trade on the downtrend. Makes sense? Makes sense? Huh? Okay, so weekly is bullish, daily is bearish, 4 hours is beautifully bullish. So we technically can take the trade, but that will be the super risky trade. I don't want to take the such trade. I want at least a candlestick close above this candle to take the trade. Daily shift bullish. Daily got bullish. And I'm not in the very good position. Wait, let's increase the brightness right there. This is also killing my eyes more. Looking to buy probability, we can say it is a high. I like this counter trend. It's not, yeah, it's a counter trend trade. Wait a minute. Weekly is bearish. Ah, look at that. Look at that. That is the only reason I need daily to get bullish. Weekly is bearish. Hmm. Weekly is bearish. Daily is also bearish. Just 4 hours got bullish. We just have one time frame in sync. We need two time frame in sync at least. So daily we need to we need to wait for daily to get bullish. Else we just can't take the trade. The probability of this is going to be also medium. We can go for medium high because it looks good to me. When it is going to happen, probably it is going to take 2 days. 2 days is equals to like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. WATNESTAY. Alright. You're a JPY. क्या बोलते तुम? Oh, looks good to me. Looks good to me. That looks good to me, man. This JPY is look ready for taking a sell trade. Like this is wow. This is the structure. This is the structure. Make it beautiful. Let's delete it. It doesn't matter now. Should I wear chashma? I don't know. There is something wrong over here. Something is because of the only light is coming in front of me. That is just maybe. The matter of fact, I love the Euro JPY trade because we got the retracement, we got the engulfing candle as well. Daily is bearish, but getting the higher highs and higher lows. I need 4 hours to go bearish. 4 hours is bullish, is not looking good to me. I need at least 4 hours to get bearish or daily engulfing candle to the downside. Um, it will create a engulfing candle, then will be weak into this, and then we'll push to downside or this JPY. I don't know. Oh, it's repeating. The problem is repeating. I need to figure out the solution right there. Yeah, because just because you see this big light is coming in front of me, my eyes are getting close. Give me a second. I will be back. Until that, you can listen to the songs, but it will come copyright. Do we care about copyright? Yeah. Have a hold on. Mm. Holy shit. This may change everything. Hmm. Oh yeah. This got bit good. And yeah, this right there is light. Just because of this bright light is coming in front of me, directly touching my eyes, making me feel sicky. But now it's everything good. I can do this. Possible to do so. Reducing the lights. Why do I don't think about doing the things? Yeah, done. The light is so good. It's coming light over here. It's shade over here. All right, so let's start. Let's get back to the work. I remember. Where is the Fibber? Fibonacci. Nachi. Looks good to me. Um, I, I don't know, man, but this is daily is creating the higher highs and higher lows. Until and unless daily don't create the engulfing candle, sir, I'm not going to take this trade because it is creating a higher highs and higher lows. In a bullish market, how in the world we going to take the sell trade? Nah, that doesn't even make sense. I need daily engulfing candle. Probability medium. It's not like YOLO. Probability is medium, but yeah. Tuesday, yeah, exactly. Bearish. Daily is also bearish. For us, is also bearish. For us, just got bullish. So we just have like a 20%, but not looking good to me. I may avoid the loss as well. Considering it. OddCAD, oh my goodness. Previous week I have literally predicted this. It is going to create the beautiful engulfing candle to the downside. It was very good area to take the sell trade right there, waiting for the daily candlestick close. I said every single thing. Have I take this trade? No. Why I want to took this trade? Because I was not looking into it. I will wait for the Doge and engulfing candle, then I took the trade. Alright, this thing is going to come till here. Anything it is going to reflect, reject. Pretty much I can see this, only the structure which it can reject, and then it is going to reject right here. This will be the take profit if we're going to take this trade. But we just can't take going. We're not going to take the trade right away. We're going to take this trade by waiting for the retracement. I need this to give the create the lower high and then create the new lower low. So when we are where we're going to create the new lower high. This is the point. This is only the point where we're going to create the lower high. My eyes. I don't know, man. Let's just close this. But this is going to affect the lightings. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I need the daily candlestick closer over there. It is also the 4 hours EMA. Like this is so coincidence. Is coincidentally happening. So what is going to happen? It is going to close that candle like this, and it is going to create the doji candlestick like this, and then we're going to take the trade to the downside like this. Beautiful. It just can't go like this. It is going to go like this, and then oh no, and then it is going to go like this. This is exactly what is going to happen. Okay, this doji is going to give 4 hours shift. 4 hours is going to shift bullish. Then this doji is going to give 4 hours bearish, and then we're going to take the trade to the downside. This looks beautiful to me. Oh my god, this is also going to come like this is the exact area of it, because this right there is going to be also filling the fair value gap. Also, it is going to weak create a candle like brilliant. Brilliant मंत्र लगाया मतलब brilliant. Oh my god, it was not the light, it was my eyes. My eyes are getting tired. We just started, man. Okay, we'll increase the speed because yeah, I have to shoot as well. So for weekly is bullish, BU, WLISH, daily is bearish, 4 hours is bearish. We got 20% in our hand. It is going to be a counter trained trade. Type, man, this is not counter train trade, man. Something is wrong with my screen, yaar. Something is there. Just feeling so much pain right there. Weekly is bullish, daily is what I need is daily retracement and daily doji. The sell probability is now it's a counter trend trade. We can go for medium, but this looks good to me. Probability is high. Going to come on Wednesday. The very high probability every single week. Wednesday. Like it. You rod, man. My back is paining, my legs are paining. I will just sleep it. Oh. Looks good to me, love. I'm pretty much comfortable for doing the analysis like this. In camera it feels like I'm sitting, but the reality fact is right now I'm sleeping. My goodness, my back is so relaxed. Man, I have predicted that is going to create the engulfing candle, which haven't. This is what I'm talking about, which haven't done because daily is still bearish. Daily need to get bullish, man, and pretty much. Mm, 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 up and down move. It is going to get bullish pretty much soon. So next week we are going to have the now next week very high chances. Very high chances is going to create the engulfing kind of man. This screen is not looking good to me now. Okay, so now on Euro GBP, I don't know. This trade is already gone. I don't know. This trade is already gone. The recording is on, right? Recording does on. After this bearish engulfing, we're going to retrace and push to. I know now. I really want to learn about this. I will learn this next thing. What in the how the candlestick is going to get formed? I don't know. That is what I want to know. The candlestick. crazy. I don't know, like this is choppy zone. Mm, pretty much not liking it. Even if it is going to weak, it is going to come to the downside, but it will be weird kind of like no, sorry, sir. Oh, GPUs, this will be interesting now. Okay, which is beautifully creating the weak to the downside. Oh my goodness. You see what I'm saying? You didn't see what I'm saying. You must be seeing what I'm saying. Now this looks high probable for me. See, when I stop talking and I keep continue to have the deep breaths, I right there is getting more oxygen because my nose is packed. Things is not looking good to me. Up, down, up. We can pack like this, but I want to continue collect the structure as well. I need a daily candlestick close on this structure. Can oh we need to zoom this out as well. Just give a minute, okay? I will just close my eyes for 10 seconds. I really gone travel to New York right now in my dream. Um, can we get the area of interest right there? We can, but that the upper one is more high probable. Exactly. The upper one is more high probable this area of interest because we are also going to have the daily EMA as well. Yeah, looks good to me as well. Ding, la la. It's also going to create a very healthy candle with the wick to the upside. Man, am I getting sleep? Man, this looks brilliant. The exact same, the wick to the upside, the wick to the upside, and it's going to create the exact same candle right there. And now this is what I like as a trader, and this week is going to create the candlestick close on the area of interest, doji candle if possible, and then we're going to shift to the downside. Holy moly. Okay, this is so beautiful too for me. Can it get rejected from here? Absolutely 100%. But there is there's one confluence over here, that is EMA. The daily EMA. Also the on the place where are we right now? The 4 hours got bullish. Not looking good. That is the reason I will wait for the daily candlestick close. Same fucking shit, man. Same fucking shit. Euro USD. Just remember. I'm just waiting for this. Trade type. It says, is it counter trend trade? We can talk about safely. No. And my eyes. Wait a minute. Okay, my eyes are like. I want to get good in this. Can't quite. How about blue light filter? Okay, let me just add blue light filter. Display. Ah, yes, start, sunset, sunrise, custom, turn on. Ah, I don't know, man, if this is going to work. Oh my god, that looks like this is going to work. But why in the world, my first thing, my eyes are like no waters. Should I cry a little bit? Man, this is super hard to see. Ah, damn. I don't know. ये क्या था? Okay, I need to get good in this. GBP USD weekly is bullish, daily is bearish for rises. Okay, I have done it. Daily is bearish as well. Beautifully lower lows and lower highs. We need a daily candlestick closure. I will delete this as well. Daily retracement and then sell opportunities high probable. This is the high probable. Okay, now I like this currencies. GBP USD I love you. RGPY and on the other hand RGPY doesn't looks good. Um as per scenario it should come watch list error. GBP USD error. Oh my goodness. Sleep is getting increased now. I can sell this currency because the daily got bullish and the foras also got bearish. Yeah, we are bearish, man. I just can't able to see the screen. Yeah, I don't know why. Wait, what I will do, I will just reduce the brightness like that. Thank you. Okay, the brightness is super low. How about this? The daily got bearish, but it's a bit tricky. Wicks and the bows is coming. Hold on, let's not. I have said something right now, which I was talking about, or which I was talking to sleep. Daily got bearish, but the weeks are something I said about this. Weeks are not. I really need to see. I really need to see, man. What in the world I've said. Let it go. Yeah. Should I go on terrace, sit in the sun rays to avoid these things, sleeping and whatnot? The wicks the wicks are not making sense to me. Yeah, I can take this trade, but this will be very risky because it is. I know this is after the doji, it is going to create the engulfing candle to the downside. This looks beautiful to me. Also, daily shifted bearish should do that. Daily is going to create a doji and then it is going to push to the downside. The doji is going to get created on a daily. It's going to get the 4 shift to structure to the downside. Every single thing looks good to me, but I just don't have my confluences of taking the trade to the downside of the weekly. No trade. GPJPY, oh my goodness, there is no rejection, nothing right there, no trade. Look at this is what I'm talking. This is creating a higher highs and a higher low. How in the world I'm going to sell this currency? I'm just stretching my eyes like anything. Oh, USD. Oh, this looks brilliant. Another GPY. Where cat GPY? Wait. This looks super solid. Okay, for me. Monthly. Ah, Damn, monthly has to go up until this week. Now this thing, now look at this. My eyes is this pupil of my eyes just got expanded because the thing which I'm saying is an interesting thing for me. Okay, and this looks so like this. Should I show this exact same pattern, which is USJPY shifted bullish? This is exact same pattern form on the weekly time frame on the Euro USD. Exact same pattern right there. Exact. This is my number one trade is going to be okay. Shifted bullish. Now we'll wait for the exact same thing. The week I will delete this. The black line to the downside. Over here we're going to buy and we're going to keep it hold. GBP JPY USD JPY. Look at this. This is exact same pattern, my dear God. Look at that. Now what are we waiting for? We're just waiting for the black line to get appear inside this area of interest. Okay, it's so super simple. I'll just redo this. This is my number one trade because when urgently shifted bullish, it always goes more ahead. I could easily keep this holding. Oh man, this looks brilliant. I don't care. The daily is bearish. That's true, but daily is creating higher highs and higher lows. Look at this. It has created a new higher high. I mean, this right there is what we need. Brilliant. My God, my eyes. I need to shoot as well, yaar. I'll do the lunch. I have a lot of things to do. Also, the light gone. The question is now where I should be keeping this area of interest. Kasa question maza. That is area of interest like this. How about this? Does this even make sense? Make pretty much sense, but not always. How about this? I mean, this is literally ready to buy right now. Area of interest. Whenever we are above buying, under we selling, above we buying, under we selling, above we buying, under we selling. This right there, I love it. Okay, the stop is going to be under the area of interest. Imagine the stop is going to be that's too big. At least 1:2 is the norm
It's
of
12
there.
o'clock.
Ah, look at that, brother. Just look at that. It's so beautiful. It created a new higher high. The daily shifted bullish as well. About to shift. The 4 hours is creating a beautiful high rise and high lows. So now we just need to wait for the 4 hour shifted bullish. Yes, sir. 1 hour is bullish as well. 30-minute, and now here's the catch. 30-minute, I need 30-minute to get bullish. Already bullish? Not already. Already? Not already. Okay, I need the 30-minute to get bullish to take this trade. This trade is the number one. Like this is going to be my number one trade. Thank God, brother. Finally, we got the trade. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Should I play the songs? I don't care about the copyrights, man. This is my number one trade. We don't need to see any currencies now. But it's considered weekly bullish. Daily is bearish. I'm not gonna lie. For us bullish, we got 20% in our hand. I have two options after this trading thing. The first one is going to be I can shoot, or the second option is going to be I can sleep. Of course, most of the people are going to take the option sleep because today is a holiday of my bullshit job, but only that 1% people who just don't listen to your brain, don't sleep, and just work for a whole day. 10:30, 10:30 a.m. and 3. That's it. I'm looking for buy. Probability is high. You know what? Let's go outside, man. Just fucking go outside. I'm just so into my sleep now. I don't know. I could say something which is. Look at where I'm sitting. It's a place where it's a kind of a storage. Probability is extremely high, Uh, extremely high. I don't need any other trade now. I'm looking to buy, waiting for 10:30 a.m. entry. Waiting time 0 day, 0 day, 0 day. 0 day, 0 day, 0 day. 0, 0, 0. So yeah. Also 10:30 a.m. entry. I'm looking for 30 minutes to go bullish. And second thing, I'm waiting for 10:30 a.m. entry. Once at 10:30 a.m., if 30 minutes is bullish, then I'm going to take the trade. If not, then I will wait for the 30 minutes to go bullish. It's going to work. This is a trade. This right there. I'm literally shortlisting it right away. And this is my trade. No one is going to take me. I don't care if I win or if I lose. But I care about following the trading plan to the perfection. That right there. Oh my goodness, what was that? What is this? Eurocat. Eurocat is looking not good. Hold on, I will add more layers of the sun. No, add more layers of the sun. How I'm looking. Ah, damn this. This thing right there is a lesson. Is how in the world we can say lesson in the English? Pomo, nahi. Ladies, no. Finger, no. Lesson adrak. Ginger garlic. Ginger, it's a ginger or garlic. Something is that. Oh my just goodness. I did predict this move from lot more time. But I won't be able to take this trade. Look at because it was sideways. It was boom. Not interested in this currency. Don't want to analyze. Oh damn, this is what I predicted right there. Look at this. Now we can safely delete this because it already happened. Now it comes about the area of interest, about this beautiful area of interest when we are above we're buying, under we're selling. And I will use more cleanliness. This right there is a trade, brother. If we're going to take the counter trade, this I'm getting a lot more trades. I'm getting a lot more trades. I am getting a lot more trades. Should I take the trades, all the trades, like a very high probable trades, and just grow my money like anything? Or should I just stick to the one trade per week? Crazy, right? That's a very good and great questions. Now it is literally going to weaken to the area of interest. Is going to go up, man. This looks brilliant. This is the area of interest. I will delete this now. For now. Yeah, weekly. Cool. But daily. Super cool. Ah, damn. Look at that. Look at that, brother. We gone up. We retrace. We create a beautiful dojo. Now it is ready to go upside, man. Man. Look at that. We shifted bullish. 30 minutes shifted bullish. Like, this right there is the trade. Okay. GBP NZD is there. Is the king. But it's not, it is good, but it's not, I don't know, man. It's a counter trend trade. Why in the world this is not working? Yeah, now it works. So weekly is bearish. Weekly is bearish. Daily is bullish. Look at that. That is the only reason I wait for the daily bullish. Look at this. Right now, in some other currency where we were looking for like taking the buy trade, but the daily was bullish, bearish. That is the reason I want to trade. So that is the reason. Like, look at this. We are there. It's going to get bullish. It needs to get down. That is the reason it is not ready to take the buy trade right now on that particular currencies. I'm talking about other currencies. The 4 hours is also bullish. Bullish. Pretty much we have 20%. Like, it's ready to take the trade. 10:30 a.m. ENTRY. You may ask, why, brother? Why 10:30? Rather than asking, just execute. No. Ask. Good question. Because all the people comes in the market after 10:30. Bullish. One day 10:30 a.m. entry. Looking for buy. Probability is high. Risk is low. This is what I like. This is what we're talking. And thank God, like, after a lot more non-trading days, we are finally coming back to the trading days, but we are having our account very much down. What I can do over here? Oh my God, this idea never comes in my mind, yeah. I have applied for these funded account challenges. Voila. I'm going to take every single trade on that challenge now. But there is a con. Yeah, there is a con right there. There may be like per day loss or something like that. I don't know what the fuck is happening. Who the fuck is happening? What the fuck? Okay, what? 48%, man. I need to shoot the video. I needed the video in Mac. I need to shoot the video from my phone. Edit the video on my Mac. Man, my hotspot is not working. Hey Bixby, why my hotspot is not working? Now Bixby will literally recognize and do the process after 1 hour. Hey Google, is my hotspot is working? Google is a bit fast. Okay. When the video is on, no one is responding. This bullshit. Okay, now very high probable the net is back. Or else I have to just refresh. Remember, GBP NZD is in our pocket. I like these currencies, man. Look at now. There was a time there where we were not having a single trade. Like yesterday, like 3 weeks before. Now we are having a lot more trades. But the concern is Holy shit. Holy shit. I remember just now my recharge is over. Fuck, wait. My recharge got over. I think some recharge got over. That is the reason. Yeah, Geo, look at this. Recharge समाप्त. काय म्हणणं यांचं? रिचार्ज प्लॅन 7 मार्च 2026 12:08 हार्स रोजी समाप्त झाला आहे. उपसी ड्युपसी म्हणायचं का आता? तो I am going to call my dad and it's worse
कॉल
but
करण्यासाठी आपला बॅलन्स पुरेसा नाही.
call. I have other SIM card. Thank you for that. हो लागला कॉल. हॅलो. हा रिचार्ज करतं का माझं 92 वालाचा?
92 चा किती मी करू?
एक मिनिट सांगतो बरं का. एक मिनिट. कुठे गेलं ते? 349 हो
92 चा ना?
हो 9284208082.
हॅलो
हॅलो.
फोन ठेव चालू म्हणलं.
हा फोन चालूच ठेवतो.
नाईन टू 8082
परत नाही थोडं चुकला तो. 9284208082 बरोबर. आणि
349 का?
हा 349
2 GB आहे.
हा ते 5G. हा आणि 5G अनलिमिटेड आहे. हा तेच मारून टाका.
झालं का? 353
काय केलं तुम्ही? 353 काय?
353 ने झालं.
का हो 349चं नाही होतं?
ते 4 रुपये वर लागतात त्याला.
4 रुपये हो का? अजून आलं नाही मला. मे बी कॉल चालू आहे मुळं.
हे बंद केलं की लागेल ते.
चालेल ठीक आहे. थँक्यू. Oh yes it happens. Look at this dear user, you on lifetime Bob card, Eterna credit card, Wabo on Geo recharge. Credit cards are a good thing, but if you know how to use it. Audible Premium Plus. Baapre. Geo is giving a lot of opportunities. Let's keep it here. Okay, let's keep it here. So GBP NZD and I like this currency. We've done the recharge. Yeah, it's just alright. Net is started working again. Yeah, it already started working again from the other SIM card, but then limited internet over here. In the recharge which I have done the recharge, it is unlimited internet, so we can surf a lot more time. I'm still broke, but I have very good amount of skill right there. It's going to make me get out from this zone pretty soon. So what I'm waiting for over here, I'm waiting for, oh my goodness, so weekly is bearish, exactly, daily is bullish, the 4 hours is also bullish. Let me type that. Over here, so then we have two trades now, like two confluences daily. 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. entry. Congratulations, you won month Hotstar. Okay. 10:30 a.m. entry. Waiting for 0 day. I'm just going to write every single thing, because if anything happen, if that currency, like what currency I'm looking for, USGPY currencies doesn't play out, I can go and take the backup trade. It's all my backup trades. This is buy. I'm looking for this. Probability is also high. This looks good to me. I mean, this is literally going to pump to the upside. Just wow. It's beautifully shifted. Now it is going to go up. I have this gut feeling. So now, for how much it is going to go up? Pretty much up till over here. Because it is going to get reject from here. That's true. But it is certainly going to come up till here, like this, because it has to. There is no other option. Next is odd USD. I have literally said exactly that it is going to create the engulfing candle this week. It has created, but daily is, this is the higher high, this is the higher low. Not interested. Don't wanna waste my time. US, like, USD CAD looks good to me. Like, all the currencies are like ready to get fired. Before it was not. There's messy around. Where are we? We are also very extremely good in place. I need to change. I think so, that taking the one trade per week, rather than we can take 2 to 3 trades. This looks brilliant. Like, this is what we need. This is the exact thing we need, brother. But the only issue is, so it should be like this. One, two, three, four. We can a little bit extend right there. Yeah, this looks good to me now. Yeah. So, oh yeah, this looks good to me. It's going to pump to downside. This is beautifully true, man. Beautifully true. This has created this. Just because of it is need to come down, man. This is going to fill this with man. Just mark my words. It is brilliant. This thing is going to come till here. It's brilliant. This is brilliant. Wow, like wow. Brilliant. I don't know, man, but I'm really going to. There was a time I was needing the trades, and now we have a trades, but our account is so low. I hate this. As the recording is on, the recording is on. Look at this. Just by changing the environment, I just changed my whole scenario. When I was in the home, when I was in the bed where we are usually sleep, I was into sleep mode. And when I came out in a natural place, natural lights, natural area, with very hard floor to sit, it just changed. That is the only reason. You are at a very good spot. You just need to change the environment you are in, because the current environment is not suitable for where you want to go. You want to become successful. Right now the current environment is not letting you to get successful, because this is how it works, brother. I wanted to do the analysis when I want to sit on the bed, but my environment is making me sleepy. Not looking good. That is the reason I came over here outside. So weekly is bearish, daily is bearish as well. Looks so brilliant to me. Uh, this is also bearish. So I really like this. I need 4 hours candlestick closure on the area of interest, and then I'm going to take this trade over here. Brilliant, yeah, brilliant. 4 hours candle closer on the area of interest, looking for sell. Probability is extremely high, extremely high. Waiting for this is going to be pretty much getting ready within one day. This is the thing, man. This is wow. USD CAD. I too love USD CAD right there. CHF JPY. Ooh, what is this? Man. We should. I don't know. What is this? If it is wanted to go up, it could easily go up, but it haven't gone up. That means sellers are like, come down, JPY, come down, is like this. So I'm buying the JPY over here. Should I not buy this? I don't know. I don't like the CHF JPY right now, the where it is, but Pratik Kaka. सर बोल ना ग, हो ना ग, ये ना इकडं, स्टडी करू शकतो तू म्हणजे घरी. हा बरं ऐक ना, बरं बोल ना, बरं
10-12 दिवस आहे ना, मी आणि आमची फॅमिली ट्रिपला चाललो होतो.
हां हां
तर आहे ना तुला इच्छा आहे का यायची?
नाही राव.
10 ते 12 दिवस.
हा म्हणजे इच्छा तर भरपूर आहे, पण ते लेक्चर वगैरे सगळं हे जे आहेत ना त्यामुळे तर नाही येत येणार ना.
हा आणि समजा तुला घरून परमिशन जरी मिळाली, समजा तुझ्या पण नाही का घरून पण परमिशन मिळाली, तर तू येशील का?
तरी नाही येणार. मला येवंसं वाटतं बरं का, पण ते नाही म्हणजे ते स्टडी वगैरे.
समजा 4 दिवस ट्रिप असेल तर
तरी पण नाही ना. एक दिवस तरी असेल तरी नाही, कारण की उद्या तर उद्या रोहित म्हणतो ते होळीला, पण नाही ना.
आणि 10-12 दिवस ट्रिप असेल, घरच्यांनी दिली परमिशन समजा तुला,
तरी पण
मग काही नाही. एक आयडिया चालली होती फक्त माझी, ट्रिप काढवा. अजून काय ठरलं नाही, काहीच नाही, पण तुला आधी विचारलं मी ना.
बरोबर आहे, पण काय आपण सेटल नाही, काय नाही, आपण कसं काय करू
म्हणूनच
शकतो.
आधी विचारलं मी, डायरेक्ट म्हणलो नाही तुला चल म्हणून.
नाही बरोबर नाही म्हणजे मला असं वाटतं बरं का, व्यवस्था पण नाही येऊ शकत असं. इट इज वर्ल्ड. येस सर. मग ते तू स्टडीला येणार आहे का? म्हणजे तू आता ते सेशन आहे ना तुझं?
नाही अजून मी स्टार्ट नाही केलंय.
बर.
स्टार्ट केल्यावर म्हणजे सध्या प्रिपरेशन करू राहिलेलं आहे, पण सर मला असं वाटलं विचारावं तुला.
चालतंय काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
चालतंय, मी सांगतो तुला येणार असेल तर.
चालतंय
तुझ्याकडं.
चालतंय. ओके ब्रदर, बाय बाय.
बाय.
I just can't, brother. I just can't. There are ants around me. Okay, CHF will create the higher highs. I don't know, man. This is going to push it upside. But I really don't like this. The way it is happening right now. If there is bias pressure is there, it must pump to the upside. Why in the world it just bang? Why? Always there is a reason to do the market, to do the things which is wanted to do. Euro NZD. I really don't like this currency. Look at this sideways. Ew. Odd NZD. Not liking it. NZD CAD. Ooh. So brutally down. And the USD, I think so it is going to go up or what? Pretty much. Oh yeah, looks like that. It is going to go up. But the USD, yeah, USD should never go up now. At least for now. It looks beautiful to me. Like it is created a higher low to go up. Like look at this. This looks like a higher low. But I personally don't think like it is going to go up because the war is going on and USD is involved in the war. I don't know, man. Everyone is going to be freaked out. No one is going to buy USD at least for now. But if that happens, that will be cool. This looks so brilliantly structured. This looks liquidity grab and it's going to go up. This is exact same thing happens every single time. I will show you. Liquidity grab gone up. Liquidity grab gone up. Liquidity grab gone up. Nang 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 nang. Like this looks solid to me. I think I have a gut feeling of this that it is going to have to create the candlestick like this. But I don't know, man. As per the fundamentals, I feel like it is going to go down or being at the same place. But as per the technical analysis, I feel like it is going to go up. Now, thing I can shortlist this trade because it's so brilliantly good. 4 hours is like I just need the 4 hours to go like shift of structure. Just need a 4 hours candlestick close above this candle and then we are good. We are good to go to the upside. But the thing is, I just don't want. It's a bit risky trade. But it looks so brilliant, man, to go up. I'm not gonna lie, it is going to go up. It feels like that. It's going to pump to the upside. It's going to do this. It's beautifully retraced, created Tauji. It's going to go up. I'm not going to take this trade at all. Now my legs and my every single thing is paining. Now we're going to shortlist these currencies. USD JPY and a USD JPY. What I'm waiting for. I feel like it's a bit not inlined. Okay. It's beautifully created the new high and it is ready to pump to the upside. Pretty much I need 30 minutes to go bullish. Once 30 minutes got bullish, then we are going to take this trade to the upside. That is what we are looking into. Okay. Also make the third daily to get bullish. Beautifully it is going to pump to the like wow. This is what is going to happen. We are like this trade is going to come on Monday. Okay. This trade is going to come on Monday. On the other hand, USD CAD looks so brilliantly good that we need this. That this is a very high probable trade is going to go down. The daily is going to create a beautiful wick to the upside and it is bomb. The 4 hours on the other hand is going to create the candlestick closer on the area of interest, and that right there is going to be the motion for going to go downside. This is going to beautifully weak into 30. Like this is but rather taking USD, I feel like I should take the USD CAD. Okay, so let's segregate with the technicals. Like I don't know. Look at this. This is strong sell. This is buy. This is neutral and buy in middle of neutral and buy. My legs are paining. Okay, so now we have to filter out. Now I have to think. I'm getting paid for my thinking. So weekly, where are we on the weekly? Look at this. Just look at this, brother. We are on toppest point of the USD JPY. Okay, and we are buying on the toppest stop. If this trade hits the stop loss, we know exactly why it has hit stop loss because we buy on a toppest stop. Hmm? But if USD CAD is going to hit the stop loss, it's pretty very unlikely to hit the stop loss because we are buying in a pretty good area of interest. We're selling in a pretty good area of interest. I feel like rather than USDPY, USD CAD is more high probable than the USD CAD just because of where are we, like taking a trade. Over here, like we are, like we are in a very good, pretty area. It's a bit sideways, but we are in a very pretty good area, okay? But on the USD JPY, we are at very toppest point. Buying at a toppest point, even the structure looks good. Every single thing looks good. Every single thing is very high probable. But the position where are we buying is in the toppest top. We should never buy in a toppest top. And over here in USD CAD, where are we selling? We're selling in a very good respected area of interest. Whenever we are above, we're buying. Whenever we are under, we're selling. Under, we're selling. Under, we're selling. And right now we are under. And we're giving the a daily engulfing candle. This is the most high probability confluences. We're also rejecting the 4 hours EMA. 4 hours I've rejected. Now we're waiting for the 4 hours candlestick closure on the area of interest to create the week on a daily basis and the weekly basis. This there is the god. This is what we are looking into. I mean, selling at a very good area of interest is what we want to do. On the other hand, USD, it's a red light, brother. We are buying on a top stop. Not looking good. So I'm right. And also, like, technicals, it is showing at a buy, and this is showing a strong sell because our prediction and technicals are getting matched. Every single indicator is getting matched. I like this technicals. I haven't tried this yet, but this looks good to me. That is the reason USGPY, I'm discarding you, but I will keep you in my lookbook. Coming to the USGPY. Ding, 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 ding. I'm discarding you USGPY for now. USD CAD, I love it, but if USD CAD just hit to the take profit without giving our retracement, that will be super great issue. So we need to find a backup, very good backup trade for our USD CAD trade. The backup trade is going to be the trade which is going, if we miss this USD CAD trade, the next trade we are going to take the backup trade, and we need to shortlist the highest probable backup trade. Okay, you want this? You know what is this? It's a Gasni. For now, this right there is a medium probable, not that high. Euro USD, this is medium. What is this? This is also medium. What is this? This is medium high. This looks good to me. Euro odd, let's shift to Euro odd. Euro JPY, this is medium as well. Odd CAD, this looks high probable to me. Okay, odd CAD looks good to me. Now we need to see the UGPUSD. This is also high probable. Ooh. And GPNZD. This is also the high, like, look at this, like we're getting a lot of trades. And just imagine, like, we take all of these trades. Okay, just imagine, and we will be in the profit. Will be in the profit. My legs are paining like anything, and my back. Wednesdays will get over. Hmm. GP and ZD also looks good to me. And now it's time is USGPY. A red light. So okay, let's add this GP odd on Wednesday. We'll be just adding it, and then we'll discard it once we added it. Which also coming on Wednesday looks good to me. GP and ZD, it's coming on 10:30 a.m. entry. My legs is spinning. Let's go inside brother. Holy shit, man! Holy shit. Or else we'll bring the chair outside. Yeah, that makes sense. Bringing the chair outside is make more sense than. This is how I do. Can you able to see me? But tricky lifestyle, my dear God, tricky lifestyle. Ding 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 ding. Ready? Okay. Dust got me. Felt good, so felt good, you know. Alright, GP and ZD. GP and ZD looks good to me as well. It's coming on 10. कसं करायचं आहे वेन्सडेला टाकायचं का टुमॉरो backup I should give this as a backup trade. Okay, GBNZD is a backup trade as well. This is going on top because it is going to come pretty early. GBNZD is also the backup trade. No, sorry, GBUSD. I mean, this is all the high probable setups. This is medium. These are all the medium probable setups, which is. How about this? Nah, this is also medium only. Casual. Now we are going to use our relationship management to see what is going to work or not. This is also medium, brother. This is also this is nothing, brother. USGPY, it's just nothing. Alright, GBP and ZD. Here we go. Okay, the recording is on. This camera कसं करू रे कॅमेराचं yeah, things are getting lurking. Screen recording is good, right? Now I need to shortlist the most high probable with the least high probable. Now this I feel like this is most high probable and this is the medium high. This is the high. Where the fuck the most high probable goes? Extremely high. I have written somewhere the most high probable. Will you please find me just medium? No. Over here I have written like a most high probable loading fill cover. Medium, 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 extremely high. Oh, I see. It's not even good. I like to do the analysis, but I really don't know, man. Buying a top is top. No. Okay, these are only the things. So pretty much I have to choose. This is a very phenomenal trade. I love this. Like this is the most probable trade for me. Oddcat looks. What the fuck was that? Oddcat looks good to me. GBR. Ding, 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 ding. Daily to get bullish. It is going to get time. It's going to Wednesday. GBP USD is also the high probable. All of the currencies are we are looking for same thing. Retracement, Doji, and then push to the downside. GBP and ZD. It's only a trade which is going to come on this. Okay, so we are giving the backup, right? This USD CAD trade is going to come at 10:30. I mean, for us candlestick close means we have to wait for every single thing to get formed of the USD CAD. So in the USD CAD, we are going to wait for a whole Monday, right? So if GBP and Z, we are going to pretty much going to miss the GBP and Z trade. It still looks good, okay? Still looks good, but we are more high probable than this. That is the USD CAD. Okay, it's the mostest highest probable trade. But if this trade plays out without giving my entry signal, I'm just not going to take this trade. So I have to look for something which is going to, yeah, suck camera angle, suck, going to give me the end trade. This is also high probable. Yeah, Monday. I don't think so. JP and Z is going to get played out because it is going to play out. I know, but I have to keep it. I have to discard it because this is a trade which we are waiting for on Monday. So I need a trade which is not, which is, which is coming after Monday. So which is going to be Oddcat, my number one trade. Retrace. This looks beautiful to me. GBP USD, the same thing. It's every single currency, I think so. It is going to come on Wednesday. Yeah, exactly. So now I have to shortlist from this. So it needs a thing ping up for us. GBP. Oh, GBP. GBP USD looks more good to me, you know, rather than Oddcat because the distance from here to here is pretty high. GBP USD, the distance from here to here is so small, and GBP are doing this and doing this. We need to see if this thing happen. I'm going to enter into this GBP odd, but it's counter trend trade. GBP USD is also counter trend trade. This will be our take profit. We need to also segregate using the take profit as well. The take profit scenario is also the main important issue, okay, main important thing. This will be our pretty much stop loss. This will be our pretty much take profit right there. A UDCAT. I feel like GBP USD because USD is going to go down. If Euro US is going to go down, GBP USD is also going to go down. GBP odd. If GBP USD go down, GBP odd is going to go down. Ooh. So GBP USD coming to number one place. Odd CAD, anything is matching over here. Odd over here. Look at this. This is odd. This is odd. If odd is going to go up, this odd is going to go down. This is going to go up. This is going to go down. That means GBP odd is looking not good. I mean, yeah, it is like, see, I will tell you. If Monday is going to go up, that means GBP odd Monday is going to go down. Look at this, it's the exact same thing what we have done and what we have predicted. It is going to go down. When this is going to go up on Tuesday, that means it is going to go down on, going to create a doji and going to go down on Tuesday and Wednesday. This both trade are exact same. Now the problem is right there is whatever comes I will take, but the most high probable looks like I will be getting the GBP USD. If now this is all the backup trades. See, if USD CAD started and doesn't come up over here, it just started to downside. We just missed our entry because we were looking to take the sell trade over here. Then what? Then rather than investing for a whole week, we'll be look for the backup trades. Backup trade is GBP USD, odd CAD, and GBP odd. Whoever comes first, I will take the trade. I personally feel like odd CAD is very high probable, but coming this up and then like I just don't feel it's going to travel this up within one day. Okay, so it is going to require like probably most 2 days or something like that. GBP odd, this and this. Pretty easy to happen. GBP USD is so close from the area of interest. Then doji. I mean, yeah. Give me the retracement to the area of interest. Give me the doji. Whoever gives me, I will take this. But I will use the backup trades only and only if I miss the USD CAD trade, so that we will not waste our whole week. Temporary excluded. This is GBP NZD. This is this. Alright. So now we are going to start at the fourth section. The fourth section, like, yeah. So guys, we are going to start a fourth section. Messed up. We're going to start this section 4. In a section 4, we are going to do the recapping what trades I'm going to take, why I'm going to take it, and what I'm looking for taking the trade. In the USD CAD, first trade is only for a whole week. I'm going to look for only and only for USD CAD, because weekly have beautifully liquidity grab and just push to the downside. It's going to continue the pressure to the coming to the downside. I need this candlestick to wick over there, and I'm literally looking for taking sell trade from here to here. So why I'm looking for, because we got a daily engulfing candle, 4 hour shift of structure. We're just waiting for the 4 hours candlestick close on the area of interest, and then shift of structure on the lower time frame, 30, 50 minute and 30 minute EMA as well. And then I'm going to take the trade once 30 minutes shifted from bullish to then bearish. That's it. So if now I have to be prepared with a backup plan. Now if this USD CAD start from here and just never comes in my entry area, just started to go to the downside, brother, I just can't do anything. It is what it is. So now I'm going to wait for the other currencies. These are the 3 backup currencies which I have shortlisted, the most high probable backup currencies. First of all, it's a GBP USD. So in a GBP USD, I will wait for the weekly to wick, and then it's going to fill this wick in a beautiful language. What is beautiful language? So I'm waiting for the daily candlestick close on the area of interest, daily doji, and the 4-hour shift of structure from bullish to bearish, which is already bullish now. I just want 4-hour shift of structure to bearish, then I can able to take the trade from here to here easily. But this all the trades I'm going to look into only if I miss the trade on USD CAD. So now this GBP USD trade is going to come on Wednesday and the USD CAD trade is going to come on Monday. So if Monday trade I miss, I will wait for Tuesday and I will wait for the Wednesday to get started. Once Wednesday started, whoever gives me what I want, I will take the trade. That looks good to me. Odd CAD on the other hand, I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the area of interest, exact same like this. Then the waiting for the daily doji. Then I'm going to take the trade from here to here. Easy peasy. And on GBP odd, I'm waiting for the red candle to get formed, and the next candle I want the blue candle to get formed. Once this blue candle closes above this box, then I'm waiting for the then I'm looking to take the trade. I need a price to retrace into this area of interest, and I'm going to take the trade from here to here. I'm speaking a lot, brother. My voice is getting lower and lower. I need to do a film shooting now as well. And the GBP and these are just for prediction. I'm not going to take the trade at any of these currencies. I'm just going to predict this because I like to predict. Okay, this GBP NZD has given the beautiful engulfing candle on the weekly basis. So what, and daily also shifted to bullish. I'm just waiting for the wick into the area of interest and push to the upside. Literally easy trade. Like this stop loss over here. And stop loss is getting defined of the price action, current price action. Okay. So over here I'm just waiting for the price to come over here and then going to take the sell trade from here to here. Easy. Come up here and then going to take the sell trade from here to here. Pretty much good. On Euro USD, I'm waiting for the candlestick close on this area of interest. I'm going to go close to the downside. I'm going to look for taking the sell trade from here to here. Technically this will my stop loss. I will adjust this. On the CAD JPY, I was liking it, but now I don't like this. I'm waiting for the price to come up here. Then I'll keep the stop loss, take profit over here. Euro JPY, which is very extremely low probable, but I'm waiting for the daily engulfing candle to the downside. Going to wait for the retracement, weak retracement, and then this is going to be the area of interest where I will be taking a trade like this. This is a stop loss. My eyes are getting closed automatically. It shouldn't happen. On USD JPY, I'm literally waiting for the Monday to open. Once it open, I need 30 minutes to go bullish. 30 minutes is currently right now bearish. This is lower low, this is lower high. Once 30 minutes get bullish, that means once it comes down and then comes up and then shift, then I'm going to take the trade, or it just close above this candle, I'm going to take the trade from here to here. But this is all my predictions. And easily stop loss right there, take profit right here. But I am just not going to take the trade. Okay, these are all for the just predictions. I'm not interested to take the trade at all, because all of these currencies are good but not best. That is the reason these are the backup currencies, are the best, but this USD CAD is the bestest of the best, is the king. Okay, so I will mostly focus on USD CAD. If I miss this trade, if price never comes to my entry, I will wait for the GBP to get formed, and then like I'm just going to take one trade in this week. If I get a cleanest entry in this currencies, I will take it. If I miss a trade on USD CAD, if I got a trade on USD CAD, I'm just done. Either stick profit it or just stop loss. I don't fucking care. Signing off, boys. This is what it is. This is what the ending of the prediction of the beautiful week which is coming up today. Sorry, tomorrow. No. Next week. Signing off now. I really have to do the shooting. Before I do the shooting means I'm going to create a film, short film every single week of my whole life. I'm just not going to vlog like, hey, I'm doing this. I'm not, no. No one want to listen to that. No one want to see that. Everyone want to see the story, and I'm very good in story. Like people were saying, why don't you become a story man? And I'm like, wait. Alright, so this is what it is. Signing off. Let's save this. Let's close this as well. Signing off. Have a wonderful week ahead. And just ignore the background. I'm just showing the things which is real. I just don't wanted to be a fake guy. Alright, signing off.